Hey guys, well, back out at the farm again. I had the cross slide modified. Oh, doggo. Hello. Hello. Yeah, buddy Austin's dog, I think. Yeah. Cute. No, you shouldn't be in here. It's got burrs and stuff on your feet. Scooch, watch out. No, out. Back up. See you later. Cute little dog. Just too cute. Anyways. Door slammed. I gotta let her out. Alright. Well, I can't remember where I left off, but I had a compound slide modified. Took it to my favorite machine shop, and they decked the top of this down a little bit. They couldn't go all the way flush with this, which would have given me more tooling clearance because of my jib screw. So they got pretty close. But now I'm going to install this, and we're going to see how much clearance I got for the center of the tool up to the work. So hopefully it's going to work. I ordered the BXA size because I want to run bigger tooling, though it might not be the option that I got to go with. I might have to send it back and get the AXA, but I don't know. We'll see. With that would involve me having to machine a new piece, which I cannot do now because I've modified the compound slide, which is kind of why I didn't really want to do that in the first place, but didn't see any other options for running this. So maybe I could get I don't know, a spare or something. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna clean up the ways and clean up the jib, and then get everything reassembled, and then we're gonna put a piece on this and we're gonna see how it looks. Yeah. Well, got it on. It slides pretty good. Did have to modify a little bit of stuff. Ouch. There's a bolt there. Don't do that. Show you guys what I had to do. I had to file that section away. Holy focus. Come on, please focus. There we go. I had to file that section away because it was hitting on that rail right there. And then I had to file a little bit of the rail away as well. That's not a big deal. It's on the inside. She clears. That's what matters. Now I can assemble it. See what it looks like. Finally. Alrighty, so we got this assembled, we got it moving. It can only go back so far, probably I'd say 3.5 inches, not a big deal. I rarely use this anyways. So now we can put our stud in. Let's see how far down we can go with this. Just because I know that that can never hit the... It'll never hit the threads. I just thought of that. Doy. Friggin' been so damn tired lately. Get that all tightened up. And this guy goes on after I give it a wipe because it was sitting. Right now I got a parting blade put on. That's nice. That feels real good. That looks like it's too tall. This is one method I've always used to find if I'm too tall or not. Oh my, that is like right on the line. Okay, so that's that tool. Now the fun part, I gotta get my carbide out of this, which is gonna be real interesting. I don't need this anymore because I got this parting blade, and this one should be way better. So I'll not worry about that. That's awesome. I gotta build a shelf or something for all these now. Maybe hang them up back there or somewhere. somewhere. That's way below. Okay, perfect. No, I'm happy with that. That gives me more room for adjustment. That's perfect. That's fantastic. So my time of stacking shims is over. I had to use all this stacked up underneath just to get this close, and it still wasn't perfect. So, big improvement. This is the one that I use the most, so that'll go in there. Let's see if I got it right. Allen key. Keep in mind, like if you guys order this as well, it more than likely, unless you've got the same lathe, it'll be easier to install. The only reason why mine's so difficult is because it's A, it's Taiwanese, B, it is like obsolete. It's 1979. This thing's friggin' 7 years older than I am. Yeah, I don't know, but let's make a pass. All right, let's do a little bit of a pass here. Just see what happens. And that's slow. That is freaking perfect. Not a nub. Not even a nub left on it. Ha! That's awesome. Yeah, check that out. Not even a nub. Where is it? There it is. Oh, no, I can just catch my nail on it. Come on, focus. Just catch my nail on it. Yeah, no, that's. I accidentally squeezed something on my phone. That surface finish is not the greatest. I'm thinking it's that's like really weird feeling. It feels like microfiber. Focus. Come on. Yeah, that's the weirdest feeling. That could be due to the tooling being not the best. I'm just running cheap carbides, and they're not the biggest either. There we go. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm happy with the centering on that though. That's fantastic. That's much more better. Try the parting blade. I want to see how that works. Alright, I want to try the parting blade. I love it. This is the best thing in the world. It's so easy. Chatter, that means I gotta retract it or stabilize the end. Don't really want to retract it because then I'm not gonna be able to get that deep of a cut. Man, this thing's like a friggin' razor blade. You know what, let's try a little bit of oil first. No, chattering way too much. Yeah, I'll put a little hole in the end of it and stabilize it. chatter. I might have to move it back. Really don't want to. Nope, still chattery. I wonder if maybe it's the way that the tooling or the cutter is affixed to the tool. Basically, they just got a little wedge here that you tighten the screw down, and it just wedges and clamps down onto it. It's not the best, and it leaves the whole tail end all floppy. You guys can't see that. I gotta move you guys this way. I left my drill at home. Interesting. Yeah, I guess I still got some bugs to work out. Well guys, that'll do it for today. I played around a little bit, but I'm out of time. I gotta get going, so I'll have to figure out why that not carbide, it's high-speed steel with cobalt. That's what it is. Why it's so chattery. I'm going to maybe see if there's other people with that issue. I don't know, but anyways, that'll do it for today. So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, take care.